A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, today we are not going to start any new chapter. Yes, now the exams are coming near. Today we are going to do the revision of your first semester assessment. Yes, we will be discussing the syllabus, the paper pattern as well as the model question paper. Okay, come on, let's see. Okay dear children, see this is your syllabus, that is chapter number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and this is your paper pattern. The first question will be multiple choice question. 8 question will carry 8 marks. Then write true or false, 5 question 5 marks. Then fill in the blanks, 5 question 5 marks. Match the following, 5 questions 5 marks. Answer the following question. 4 questions of 8 marks, which means 2 marks each question. Okay, then label the following and solve the jumble words. So easy. Okay, now we will discuss the model question paper. First of all, we will see the instructions or guidelines how you have to write your assessment. The first one, you have to write in a clear, neat and legible handwriting. You all are practicing cursive writing a lot. I know that I am receiving the photo shots. So, you have to maintain your handwriting, okay? And you have to write in a very clear and neat handwriting. Then, write the test in supplementary sheets. You have to write your assessment in the supplementary sheets, okay? Then write the following details: name, class, date and subject. On each and every page these details should be there. Okay. Then write the questions also. Yes. Now you have to copy the questions also in your sheets. And the last one, you have to send the photo shot or PDF of your answer sheet on or before by 8 PM on the day of assessment itself. जिस दिन आप पेपर लिख रहे हो, जैसे ही आपने अपना आंसर शीट खत्म किया, you finished your paper, just send me the photo shot or the PDF of your answer sheet. Okay. Moving on to the first question. See, this will be your first question, that is multiple choice question. The first one is, it displays all the active application on the desktop. Which application? It displays all the active applications. Now what you have to do in your answer sheet, you will write question number 1, multiple choice question, put down number 1, copy the question and then on the next line write the answer. For example, the first answer is task view. Okay, it displays all the active applications on the desktop. Yes, हमको task view पे सारे applications जो active है currently वो हमको दिखते हैं. So in this way you will write. Same with all the other options, all the other. Okay. The next one is write true or false. You will copy down question number 2. Write true or false. Copy the first question. You have to read the question very carefully, okay? See, a computer can function without an operating system. क्या computer function कर सकता है operating system के बिना? No, it is false. So, you have to read the question very carefully, dear children, okay? Then, fill in the blanks. Now dear children, in fill in the blanks also, you will be given the help box. You have to just choose the right option for your blank. For example, the first one is the select option is available on the dash tab. From these 3 options, just choose one which is correct, and that is home tab. Okay. Next one, to select a word, dash the word. We have to double click the word. So, we have to choose it from the help box and then we have to write. Clear? Next question is match the following. Now, in match the following, you don't have to draw lines and match it. Okay? You will write first number skew. What is the answer from column number B? It is twist an image in the horizontal or vertical. You have to write the answer. Okay, that's it. You don't have to match it. Understood how you have to write? Then Answer the following questions. In this, you don't have to copy the questions. You will just write the answer. And the next question is identify and label the following. In the same way, I will give you one taskbar, toolbar, कुछ भी मैं आपको दूंगी. You have to identify it. Okay, here I have written the numbers. You don't have to draw this. Okay, you don't have to draw this. You will write question number 6, identify and label the following. You will write number 1 and you will write the answer. You have to see it, you have to identify it, and then you will label it. Clear to you? Understood? And the last one is solve the jumbled words. Yes, it is so easy. You will copy down the question and then you will underline like this your answer. That is, for example, the first one is redo. So you will underline the redo. Clear to you? Okay. Dear children, your computer subject, this is very easy. You just have to focus on the practical portion as well as the theoretical portion. Okay, you will just learn the textual exercises which are there in your textbook after each and every chapter. Okay, study well, do well and write very well. All the best, dear children. God bless you all.